Hello and welcome to this property tour. It is 2358 Chevron Place Path. This is right in the north area of Oshawa, Winfield Farms. It's an area that's grown so much. I lived here for a few years back in 2017, 2019. This was before they had shopping here. So I had to drive probably 10 minutes to shopping, but now they have just shopping everywhere, which is so much nicer, more convenient. Tons of rec centers, you have shopping, Costco, everything. So yeah, we're here. It's a condo townhouse. It's a 4-bedroom, plus it has one spare bedroom that's on the kind of the ground floor that we'll be able to go see. So without too much more talking, let's just go through. And if you have any questions, you can comment below, reach out, not a problem. So you walk in here and you have the little little lobby here. And then you go up the stairs. And then if you go back down, that's where that +1 bedroom is. So we will, might as well go take a look at there now. And then you also have a back door here. And then this one here, it does side on to Britannia. And you have a pond there, everything. So it's a really nice view. So this is that +1 room, a smaller room. You have the mechanical room here, which has the furnace, tankless hot water system, holding tank, everything there. There is air conditioning here, so it's hot outside, but it's not inside. It's nice. This is a garage. You can fit a car. And the nice thing is you have a little bit of storage underneath the stairs there as well. You have an electric garage door opener, so everything kind of ready to go. Yeah, this is the view. Then we'll go back up the stairs here. And you have newer laminate flooring that was installed. You have your living room, dining room on this side, powder room right here. So just a 2-piece there. So you have a toilet and a sink. And then you have the kitchen, which again, overlook the pond. So if you're doing that chore of dishes, which you don't like, at least you have something that you can look at. That could be quite nice. Laminate countertops. And then you have the dark cabinets that is here as well. Try and get it from this angle. Then you got all the stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, fridge, stove. Over the range, you have this hood fan. It is vented outside too, which is nice. Sometimes they try and cheat, so they put this as a recirculation. Where you're cooking, it's just kind of going through a charcoal filter. But here is actually going outside, which is really nice. Maintenance fees are around $400 a month. It includes the grass cutting, the snow clearing in the winter, outside common areas. This one here has a little balcony. And then overlooks. It's a nice street. You have visitor parking, and every time I've come here over the years, it's never been a hard time finding it, which is kind of nice because a lot of times when you have these complexes, you have driveways that don't always accommodate cars, so you're only having to park in the garage. Where here is nice because they have it where you have the garage, but then you also have a driveway that you can park the vehicle into as well. The house was built in 2018, so it's relatively new still. It's going to be 8 years this year. So you go upstairs here. You have 2 bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Overlooking the pond again, which is always nice. Okay. Yep, got the closet. Then you have a laundry room, so you have a stackable washer and dryer. Pro tip is for the washing machine, you always want to leave it open a little bit because water gets in there, and if it closed, it gives that mildewy smell. Where this here is, if you have it open a little bit, that never happens. And you have a sink. So if you do have kids, it's really good because you have somewhere to soak clothes. That is something that in our house we missed because we don't have a sink in our laundry room. And with 3 small kids, it is quite easy for them to stain their clothes. And this here is the 4-piece. So you have a sink, a toilet, and then that's a bathtub and a shower there. Okay, and then you walk here, you have the second bedroom. It overlooks the front of the house. And same thing, you got the closet there too. Then you go upstairs to more bedrooms. So there's 2 more bedrooms up here, a full bathroom, and then you just have a little storage linen closet here as well. This bedroom here, again, with that pond, it's a nice view. It'd be something nice to wake up to. I used to walk across that pond back in 2017 when I lived in this area, before all these homes were up. Okay, and then so this here is the second full bathroom. So it's another 4-piece. You have the sink, toilet, and then you have the shower and bathtub. Nice thing is on this level, they do have a separate control here. So you can control it from up here as well. Save you from having to go all the way down to the main floor. And this is the 4th bedroom. This one here, it does overlook the front of the house. And then, yeah, you do have a little balcony here, which is nice. Magic things are pretty neat. This front view, and then you have the closet. So let's just do the walk down that you would face in the morning. Get ready for work or school. You got this flight of stairs. Okay. And then you go down. You have another flight of stairs here. It takes you to this area, which is the living room with the front balcony again. And then you have the kitchen. So that was the tour. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out, and we'd be more than happy to get you in here to have your own little private viewing. Thanks for watching, and until next time.